Notes on what the hell? Alright, calm down. Dragged out the pistons and everything. Calm down. We've got to lube that up. Right on the money now. Oh, please don't strip this. Where are you? I just had you a second ago. Strip this, please. Yeah. Oh boy. Try not to strip it. Pretty much just how you take out this brake pad sensor. Just plugs in, remove it from around town. And that's about it. Just put in the new one. And of course, we have to have one strip bolt. Let's just get it out. Get it out. Plan B. All right, that one was tough. Whew. I was going the right way though. Sheesh. Okay, but so this far, oh man, this side is the toughest. And these things are so rusty. It looks like it's been for such a long time that I may have to drill this side out too. This, I don't like this at all. The only thing I can see that's wrong with this rotor is that it has grooves in it, but it doesn't really have a lip on it. It's just grooves from turbo brake pads, rocks, dirt and whatnot. So, but I still want to put the new rotors on it. So we may have to drill more than we want to. So, yeah, man, this side was tough. All right. Oh my goodness, I just kept drilling. Is it hot? I just kept drilling and drilling and drilling, and look at that. It just screwed right out. I'm gonna do the same thing for the others. Look at how messed up that is, can I? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and order some more of these because this one is messed up. I think you can get by with just using one, and then I'll just come and put that other one back on here. Yes, sir. Get the hell off. Scrape this up. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this up. We'll be right back when it's all nice and clean. The other one. The other one. One-handed. One-handed. Find that clamp. Forget that clamp. Just get off. I don't care right now. Just get off. You've caused me a lot of issues. Okay, so this pad isn't cracked, and the other one was. These pads don't look bad. The other side was cracked. These are pretty thick. I wonder what happened to the other side. So those older than these? Doesn't make any sense. But we're already here, so we might as well do the whole thing. I actually thought this was gonna take me a lot longer. I'm so glad that one came out, but the next one I think we have 2 to do, but I'm really glad it came out. Don't forget to clean these rotors. They come with the oil on them, which makes them kind of slippery. So give the front and the back clean. And to the hub, apply some of that grease. Yeah. I'm just using brake clean. That's it. A little bit of brake clean. It's good. Yes. And I scrub this down as best I can. So all we have to do now is rub a little bit of that anti-seize stuff on it so it doesn't, so the rotor doesn't seize onto the hub. Just like that. Now we need to push in that piston on the brake, put the pads in, and put everything back. I'm gonna see if I can order some of those, what do you call it? The rotor support screws. Okay, so I also apply a little bit of lube to where the calipers slide on the calipers, to where the brakes slide on the caliper, just to make sure, you know, that it moves nice and smooth when you press on the brake. Well, you know, the brakes slide on the caliper. Blah, 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 blah. Use a little bit of heat. Trying to see if I can get it off. I've been at this for like a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes. About a day or so. I'm just resorting to heat. Alright, so the reason why I'm having such a tough time with this side is because it is a hex. It is not a Torx. I thought it was a Torx. You know, my blind self.
That's not bad for a blind man.
It is a hex. If you look close, let me see if I can get you. Yeah. It's a hex, not a Torx. So, thank goodness the one on the other side came out, you know, with the Torx that I use, but this side we're gonna have to do some serious work on it. The other side should come out easy because, yeah, man, sometimes that's what happens. All right, guys, I am going to end the video here. We've been hard at work trying to get the rotor off of the front right passenger. On this side, we found out why that is. So I'm gonna do this side and the other side. We've also found a rasp eliminator underneath this car. So to whoever added the rasp eliminator, thank you. Also, we have, which is why I am anxious to start working underneath the car, a special box in here, which is going to add to more of this car sounding the way I want it to sound. Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next week. We're about to add 10% more damage.